Hello guys, this is the part 2 now, but everyone not comment, but that's right, so late. Hello guys, so let's go. Guys, so that. What are you in here? Let's open it. Oh, I can't open. Okay, I can use this. Oh, it's not open, so let's see. Oh, open now. I am so excited. So, this here. What is this? Oh my god. And thank you, my best friend, Rika Jade. You will give this one. At I'm so hiya-hiya sa pagsabi dahil bukas manood naman ito sa TV namin sa school. Manood naman sa program ko. Okay. And pwede naman ito sa skin. Pwede naman ito sa skin kasi pang paputi naman ito, diba? Tama na yan. So, okay. So, baboy. So, bye guys, but first. And this is my dog.